Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the SEB version and matching it to the exam spec. This prevents compatibility errors. Next, locate the SEB file and any exam certificate so the client loads the correct settings. Once done, run Safe Exam Browser as administrator to avoid permission blocks, and make sure to quit browsers, VPN, and third-party security tools that might interfere. These steps immediately rule out common startup issues and get you into the next phase with a clean environment. You now verify the exam configuration inside the SEB file, check allowed domains, proxy entries, and locked browser settings, and incorrect domain blocks access. Then test network connectivity. Flush DNS, disable proxy temporarily, and confirm firewall rules allow SEB and required ports. Once done, reproduce the error and open SEB log files. They show precise error codes and timestamps which tell you whether the problem is network, certificate, or config related. Use those clues to plan. You apply the targeted fix based on logs. Import or trust the exam certificate, correct domains in the SEB file, update SEB to the required version, or amend firewall rules. Once applied, restart the machine to clear locked resources and relaunch Safe Exam Browser, then immediately retest the exam entry. If it still fails, collect the SEB log and a screenshot, note the error code and exact steps you took, and contact your proctor or vendor support with that information for a faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.